It all starts with me initially creating a detailed sketch of the character for you, so you can see how it ultimately looks on the final template. A visual representation. If you liked it, I create art for the model and adjust it to fit the template, adding details. When everything is ready, I transfer the art onto the template that I created in advance. At this stage, I make changes to the rig model so that all the intricate and specific details of your character match its reference image and design. This process ensures that every aspect, from the smallest feature to the overall appearance, is accurately represented. Sometimes you have to change many details, but it's worth it. Your character starts to resemble yourself. I'm checking how the physics works. I am creating accompanying materials for your project. In the end, you get a new avatar with your character and all the features available in the template.